Coming up on Motorhead Garage, we've got creative ways to light up your life, or at least your vehicle.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest and exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. You know, Jeeps are great, but once you get one, it's always one more thing, and then one more thing, and one more thing to add to it, and before you know it, you've got a whole new vehicle. But there's something you should really think of first, Austin, and it's the lights. They help you to be seen better, and they also help you see better while you're driving, so it's a safety issue. Tell me, first of all, what's wrong with the factory lights that come on a Jeep?
Well, a lot of the times you're just receiving a dull light. You know, Jeep understands that they are going to be replaced, and so they're not going to put anything out on it. They do have their LED packages for upgrades and stuff like that, but that's essentially what you're doing when you go with us. You're just not doing it through dealerships.
So the factory lights are certainly adequate for on the road, but when you start going off-roading, you're dealing with elevation changes.
It is very bare minimum. When you're going into upgraded accessories and the lighting, you're definitely going to want output and performance, especially with safety. Being able to see more than 10 feet in front of you, just past traffic, is going to be important when you're actually off-roading and going towards places that only have moonlight.
So let's talk about the performance at Code 4 LED. What kind of output are these lights giving?
So on our standard lights, we're going to be putting out anywhere from 5,000 to 7,000 lumens. On our high end, especially something like we put on this JT here, we're going to be getting close to 9,000 to 10,000 lumens on output. You're essentially putting a light bar on the front end of your Jeep without trying.
On a Jeep, these have to be really, really durable, so you have to make sure that they're going to last.
Well, one of the things that we're looking at is our IP ratings, which is going to be your waterproof ability, your weathering, fogging, that kind of stuff. Now, let's say on our lenses, you don't want just a regular old plastic or glass because you're going to get breaks and scratches. Now we've got polycarbonate on here, which allows you to prevent more of those scratches on the heavier rocks and debris that may come up on the front end of your vehicle, which is very important because, I don't know if you know this, but PC product is actually used in jails to prevent busting from glass.
Why would I know that?
I don't know, but it's there. You know, a lot of times when you're looking at build quality, you're not looking at all your heat venting and your wiring. You want to make sure that your connections are very solidly put together. Not only that, but anytime that you're looking at problems for potential shorting, that's going to come out of your connections being poorly put together. No shrink wrap, no pan head connectors to make sure that you're getting a proper connection, pinchable prongs to make sure you have a tight fitment. All those kinds of things that go into the build quality of a light are what is essential for making sure that it is a bright and long-lasting light.
You guys aren't messing around. You've got great lights to begin with. What if there's an issue with the light down the road?
Well, if there's an issue with the light down the road, one, I've got the problem, not you, because I'm going to be sending out a new light as soon as it's verified. I don't have you return lights, anything like that. I just send you out a new one. Follow our lifetime warranty, which is unmatched. You can ask anybody that we work with, anybody that's ever had a warranty with us, and they will tell you that it's been done within a week.
Well, obviously you do headlights and tail lights. In addition to that, what do you offer at Code 4?
We do light bars, pods, any mounting solutions, wiring solutions, anything that you could really come up with for us to potentially fix for you. We will do that within Code 4. If one person's going to want it, another person's going to need it. That's kind of the motto that we live with as far as getting new product and helping people out.
You mentioned the pods. Obviously, we have one amber on here, one white. You're going to get a matching set. We did this for demonstration purposes.
For demonstration purposes.
And we also showed how to install all of this. Quickly, what is the process like to install one of your lights?
First, you want to start out with some good basic knowledge of electrical, understanding, you know, touching two leads together, you're going to get a short. Now, as far as basic install for our lights, there are a lot of references and videos, not only from our website, but also YouTube. Whatever you have as far as a 7-inch headlight, let's say brake lights, pod lights, mounting solutions, there's always something out there that's referenceable. So it's very easy. But as far as reference from us, you can give us a call, and we will help you personally too, as far as our knowledge.
And of course, you guys aren't just about Jeeps. We just brought this in for demonstration purposes.
Yeah, no, we do side-by-sides, we do boats, we do Sprinter vans, we do anything that runs on a motor, really. I mean, you got 12-volt power, we'll put a light on it.
And it's not just lights, you guys also have a way to control them.
Yeah, we provide different switch solutions like our Control 8. We also have new switch solutions coming out all the time for different models of vehicles. So you have custom fitment.
Code 4 LED Supply has lights that are going to make your Jeep look better. They're going to make it a whole lot safer when you're out there on the trail. Check them out at code4ledsupply.com. And you can check out more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings when we come back.